Well, the whole way down here to B3Q barbecue, it was dry. Now it is raining, so we're here. We're gonna get unloaded. I'll throw the camera over here. I got a little tripod kind of set up, but I'll show you the trailer, what we have going on. We'll go from there. So we are down at B3Q barbecue in Exeter, Pennsylvania. It's right down here on Owen Street on the back road. We've been delivering these firewood bags filled with hickory and cherry to Dom, even up at his old location. So this is our AM Machinery RFR 07 heavy duty log loader bunk trailer. This one does not dump. We did the upgraded diamond plating on it for the floor just so we can get the pallets up on there. The rub rail, the trucker straps, and the removable poles are all standard. We upgraded this one with the AM 210 for 21 feet worth of reach, but mainly because it picks up 3,800 pounds at half reach, and it will do 60% of that at full reach. It's a standard pass-through grapple. Going to close down and squeeze in for about, picking up like 2x4s or 4x4 posts. Open up to a maximum of 48 inches wide. We have some dangle chains that will hook on to the grapple, go through the upper loops, and take these log lift bags and swing them over here inside Dom's fence. And the hickory goes here, so we'll do 2 bags at this location. Then we switch over the cherry, and they will go here. So between the log loader trailer and the firewood bags, this definitely fits the working hard to be lazy motto that we have, because I don't need any other equipment down here besides the trailer to unload the bags, and we'll get everything set right inside the fence here, so Dom doesn't have to worry about stacking. That's what's really nice about the log lift bags. It's one and done. We loaded it with the processor at the property or at the wood yard, and then brought everything down here. So let's get this underway and get out of here before it starts to downpour again. In true working hard to be lazy fashion, 15 minutes to unload 4 bags. That's throwing straps, strapping back down, storing the loader, strapping that back down, anchoring the pallets with the included trucker straps with the chain hook ends, I throw these little guys on here just because I say Sprite had it wrong. Image is everything, thirst is nothing. If it looks good, we're gonna send it. So it just keeps it from walking back and forth. So with the diamond plate deck, I wanted some place to put the grapple. So I had them build, there's a big piece of channel down here. This is just old conveyor belts. I don't like metal on metal because I like protecting my stuff. So you can see just the old belting there. And the grapple just stores underneath. That lowers my transport height by about 2 feet. So that way the upper elbow there isn't tickling traffic lights as we go through. I'll sweep off the deck, throw that stuff in the dumpster, but that's our log loader trailer from AM Machinery. It's an RFR 07. This is a 16,000 pound trailer, 8K axles, 19 foot 6-inch deck, 7 feet wide inside the bunk poles. Upgraded 17.5 load range J 18-ply tires, Honda GX390 electric start, mounted spare tire, something like this. If you were wondering, does sell for about $45,000, $46,000, right in that ballpark. The log lift bags are available for online purchase over on the website, shaverequipment.com, and you can use them just like this. So again, log lift, power lift, still a third of a cord, just no unloading loops on the bottom and no mosquito netting. If I had more of them, I would probably just transition all of these over to the power lift because Dom just unloads by hand versus we usually hook the chains here and flip these bags on site. But I keep pallets available here in Pennsylvania for local pickup, and it's what we use around the wood yard too, so that's why these are log lift. Plus they look pretty. When somebody comes in, they get to see the firewood that Dom puts in his 2 big smokers. I think each one holds about 1,500 pounds of meat. One is for beef and the other one is for chickens, so, or chicken pieces, haha. We can ever get you a sales quote on anything that we have available for sale, whether it's trailers, processors, splitters, pallet quantities of log lift bags, anything like that. Give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And as always, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.